Ever found yourself playing phone tag just to book a simple appointment? Or maybe you've stared blankly at your calendar, wondering where your day went amidst the back and forth emails trying to nail down a meeting time? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, time is precious. And for businesses that rely on scheduled appointments, streamlining that process isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Think about it. Whether you're a yoga instructor managing class signups, a salon owner coordinating haircuts, a therapist scheduling sessions, or even a consultant juggling client meetings, the headache of manual booking can be a real drain on your energy and resources. Imagine the hours spent responding to emails, checking availability, sending reminders, and dealing with no-shows. That's time you could be spending actually working with your clients, growing your business, or even just taking a much-needed break. This is where online scheduling tools come into play, offering a lifeline for businesses of all sizes. They automate the entire booking process, allowing clients to see your availability and book appointments themselves 24/7 without you lifting a finger. No more endless email chains, no more double booking disasters, and significantly fewer missed appointments thanks to automated reminders. Now, with a plethora of scheduling software options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. You've probably heard of some of the big players, each promising to be the ultimate solution to your scheduling woes. But today, we're going to zoom in on one particular platform that has garnered a lot of attention for its robust features and user-friendly interface: Acuity Scheduling. Acuity Scheduling, now part of Squarespace, has positioned itself as a powerful tool designed to simplify appointment booking and client management. It boasts a wide array of features, including customizable booking pages, automated appointment reminders, payment processing, integration with other business tools, and much more. It's designed to handle various appointment types, from one-on-one sessions to group classes and workshops. So, if you're nodding along, thinking that Acuity Scheduling might just be the answer to your scheduling prayers, the next logical question is undoubtedly, okay, this sounds great, but how much is it actually going to cost me? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Because while features and functionality are crucial, budget considerations are often the deciding factor for small businesses and solopreneurs. Understanding Acuity Scheduling's pricing structure is key to determining if it fits your needs and your budget. Unlike some platforms with overly complex or hidden fees, Acuity aims for a relatively straightforward approach, offering different subscription tiers tailored to various business sizes and requirements. As of my last update in late 2023, Acuity Scheduling offers several pricing plans, each with its own set of features and monthly cost. It's important to note that pricing can sometimes change, so it's always best to check their official website for the most up-to-date information. However, I can give you a general overview of the typical tiers and what they generally include. Historically, Acuity has offered plans that cater to different levels of usage and feature needs. These plans typically range from a basic entry-level option suitable for individuals just starting out, to more comprehensive plans designed for larger teams or businesses with more complex scheduling requirements. Let's break down the general structure you might expect to see. The entry-level plan, often called emerging or similar, this is usually the most affordable option and is often geared towards solo entrepreneurs or very small businesses with basic scheduling needs. It typically includes essential features like a customizable booking page, automated email reminders, calendar syncing with platforms like Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCal, and the ability to offer a limited number of appointment types. This plan might have restrictions on the number of staff members who can use the account or the number of appointments you can process per month. If you're just dipping your toes into the world of online scheduling and have relatively simple needs, this could be a good starting point. The mid-tier plan, often called growing or similar, as your business expands and your scheduling needs become more complex, you might consider a mid-tier plan. This option typically builds upon the features of the entry-level plan and adds more advanced functionalities. You might see features like the ability to manage multiple staff members and their individual schedules, offer more appointment types, integrate with payment processors like Stripe or PayPal to collect payments at the time of booking, and potentially access more advanced customization options for your booking page. This plan often strikes a good balance between features and affordability for growing businesses. The higher tier plan, often called Powerhouse or similar for businesses with significant scheduling demands, larger teams, or the need for more sophisticated features, the higher tier plan is usually the way to go. This plan typically unlocks the full potential of Acuity Scheduling, offering features like advanced reporting, the ability to offer subscriptions or memberships, integration with marketing platforms, custom branding options, and potentially higher limits on staff members and appointments. If you have a busy practice with multiple practitioners or require advanced marketing and client management tools, this plan is likely to be the most suitable. Now, let's talk about the actual numbers. While I can't give you the exact current pricing, as it can change, I can provide a general range based on historical data. Typically, the entry-level plan might range from around $15 to $30 per month. The mid-tier plan could fall in the range of $30 to $50 per month, and the higher-tier plan might be in the range of $50 to $75 or more per month. Again, these are just general estimates, and the actual pricing on Acuity Scheduling's website is the definitive source. It's also important to consider whether these prices are per user or per account. Generally, Acuity's base plans cover a certain number of staff members, and you might need to pay an additional fee for each extra staff member you add to your account. This is a crucial factor to consider if you have a team. Beyond the core subscription costs, there might be other potential costs to consider. For example, if you integrate with certain third-party payment processors, they might have their own transaction fees. While Acuity itself doesn't typically charge extra transaction fees on top of your subscription, it's worth understanding the fee structure of any payment gateways you connect. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.